Holy shit, man. What? I know. It was fucking windy as shit. The fuck just happened? Oh my god. Jesus, why is it so fucking windy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. How bad was it?
It's bad. I was standing over there and the wind was blowing me everywhere and the leaves were getting in my hair and all that. It wasn't funny. I was scared. I thought I was going to get blown away.
I know, like the fucking trash cans were blowing around.
Yeah, it freaking hit me.
Jesus. Fuck. The leaves are flying now. Oh my god. A huge rainstorm. No, a huge windstorm. Holy shit. How did it got so fucking windy? Oh my god. Jesus. Holy fuck. I better back up. Oh my god, it is fucking windy. Man, I bet the winds were going like 67 miles per hour before it got here. Look at all the leaves going around. Gee. Get in the house. Damn it, man. Holy shit. Oh my god. Where all this fucking wind coming from? Like the clouds are moving around. Holy crap, man. Ah, fucking leaf. Oh my god. What the fuck, dude? Looks like a fucking tornado's gonna hit the ground. Oh my god. Jesus. It's getting darker over there. It's like raining, I think. Oh my god. Look, it's like a fucking windstorm. Oh my god. Jesus. I'm running. I'm running. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. The wind is strong enough to push that over. Holy shit. Oh my god. Bye bye, blue sky. Oh my god. Yeah, you probably know I'm at. Some of you might know where this town is, but hey guys, North Korea is being a fucking bitch right now. Like, the dust flying around. About them, their fucking missiles can reach Japan, no doubt. Look up Vice News. The Japanese kids are going to evacuation because they're fucking asses. Fucking North Korea is a dip. Is a dick in the fucking ass. Those midget fucks can die. In hell. I'm talking about hell, man. Wanting to kill everybody. How they're gonna run the whole fucking world? How are they? Their missiles can strike China and Russia, I think so, I'm pretty sure. Maybe Russia and China maybe are against us for another fucking Cold War. Cold War II, maybe? I'm just pissed off about this. Bullshit. That's all I gotta say about that. Like, oh my god. Look at all this fucking wind. It's fucking cold too. Oh my god. Dude, it's like a couple days after August. I think summer is almost all over with. Holy shit. There's like, oh yeah, tornado watch. I'm pretty sure these tiny little fucking clouds. Otherwise, yeah. North Korea, here's a message to Russia and China. Step up your fucking game. Who gives a shit about North Korea? They're gonna fuck you up anyway too. They just want your help because they want to conquer the world. You know, they can shoot Beijing from here. I don't know. What? I don't know. Probably fly away. The wind's so fucking strong to pull anything when the storm got here.
Freaking that fucking hit me.
I know it hit you. I seen it. Anyway, guys, I was just about to record, so I must have missed that part. But